In this video, we will learn how to solve this problem. That is, show that square root of 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a is equals to secant a plus tan a. This is an important problem of trigonometry for the 10th class. Hi, this is Madhubabu. Now, let us go to the problem. Show that square root of 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a is equals to secant a plus tan a. Take LHS. LHS is equals to, that is square root of 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a. 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a. Here the denominator is 1 minus sin a. Rationalize this fraction with the denominator. So we can write as rationalizing the factor of 1 minus sin a is 1 plus sin a. So rationalizing factor of 1 minus sin a is 1 plus sin a. So with 1 plus sin a, multiply and divide. 1 plus sin a by 1 plus sin a. Rationalizing factor of a minus b is a plus b. Rationalizing factor of a plus b is a minus b. So multiply the numerators. 1 plus sin a into 1 plus sin a. We will get 1 plus sin a whole square. The denominator in the form of a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square. So we can write as 1 square minus sin square, sin a whole square we can write as a sin square a. It is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b is equals to a square minus b square. With this formula, we can write a square minus 1 square minus sin square a. First numerator you write as it is 1 plus sin a whole square. Divided by 1 square means 1 minus sin square a. Keep the root as it is and keep numerator as it is 1 plus sin a whole square. Just come to the 1 minus sin square a. The sin square a and 1 relation, this trigonometry identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Relation between the 1 and sin square, the trigonometric identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta. To get 1 minus sin square, send sin square theta that side, then it will be cos square theta is equals to 1 minus sin square theta. From this trigonometric identity, cos square theta is equals to 1 minus sin square theta. So, in the place of 1 minus sin square a, we can write as cos square a. So, that is equals to 1 plus sin a whole square as it is by 1 minus sin square a, we can write as cos square a. So, cos square a. So, now it is in the form of a square by b square. So we can write as a by b whole square. That means 1 by sin a by cos a whole square. Once again, it is in the form of, this is in the form of a square, this is in the form of b square. So we can write as a by b whole square. Exponents formula, the square and root will be cancelled. So now we will get 1 plus sin a by cos a. Separate it. by the denominator. We can write as 1 by cos A plus sin A by cos A. Sin A by cos A. 1 by cos A. The reciprocal of cos theta is secant theta. So 1 by cos A means secant A plus sin A by cos A. Sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. So this is tan A. So we got RHS. What we have to show that secant A plus tan A. This is RHS. Therefore, LHS is equals to RHS. This is the solution of this problem. If you like this video, please like it and share it to those who need maths basics and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.